Hey guys, today I'm going to show you guys how to go from these dusty old nail polish to these juicy, beautiful, gorgeous feet right here. Stay tuned.
Give me the best of the band, what? Give me the best of the band, what? Yes, I got cake and it's no debate. Paper I chase every day and chase. Bitches gon' be mad when I pull up in that jag. Bitches gon' be mad when I pull up in that jag. Snakes on my back but never on my team. Bitch, I chase a bag.
What's up, y'all? It's your girl Glam.Nefercent here, back at it again with the back at it again. Happy nail popping Mondays, guys. Today we are basically doing a do-it-yourself pedicure at home. You know, we got to keep these feet together. It is quarantine, guys. I hope everybody's safe. And basically we have to keep our feet and groom ourselves. So since all the nail salons are closed, you know, if you have these tools or if you can get them, definitely do and do your own feet, y'all. Okay, like it's really not that hard, and just try to take care of your feet because that's important. All right, so basically I'm using my nail filer that I use I'm using my nail drill, excuse me. I use this on my fingers. If you guys want to see how I did my beautiful nails, I'll gladly show you guys. Well, the video will be down below. You guys can check that, the link down below. So right here I'm just drilling off this gel polish that was on. I got my feet done about 3 weeks ago, so it was time for me to just show some care to it, okay? Because I've been busy working and dealing with this whole, you know, being scared in New York City, so I honestly didn't have no time to go before they closed all the nail salons. So yes, I'm just drilling this nail polish off. Some people, if you don't have the drill, you can actually file away the top coat of the gel polish. Some people just use, like if you have regular nail polish, like a nail lacquer, they just use nail polish remover. But when you have a gel polish on and you have to put your foot under the lamp, it hardens and you have to like scrub it off either with a nail file or a electric nail file, which is a drill. So that's what I'm basically doing here, and I do have it on a low setting so it doesn't mess up my damn feet, okay? Like, so it doesn't mess up my nails, mess up my, you know, my nail beds, because I have very healthy nail beds on my feet. And y'all, like, it was hard for me to do it like this because I'm trying to, the way my camera was set up, like, it was just hard for me to do it this way. Okay, so yes, I'm going to show you guys how to do a real pedicure next. But for now, I'm just showing you guys how to take care of your feet, you know, and change your nail color. And just, you know, make your feet look pretty, you know. Like, you don't want to walk around with crusty feet just because the nail salon is closed. Just do it yourself, girl. Listen, take it back in the day. And don't mind my little braid. Oh, yeah, see my nails. I did them. So, again, I'll leave that link down below. And I also will be using the same nail polish from the same company. The company is called Nail Addict. But I will be using a different color, as you guys can see by the thumbnail. So yeah, after I file all the nail polish off, I am going to file my toenails. I actually didn't need to cut them because, again, I just got them done like 3 weeks ago, so I really didn't need to cut them at all. And my nail polish could have stayed a little bit longer, but to me, it just, I didn't like it. No, like, yeah, I didn't like that. Of course, you would file your nails a little bit better. Mine were good, so that's why I was doing it this lazy way. But yes, guys, this is how I like to upkeep my damn feet. And then I also like to put this cuticle oil on my toes. This is from Sally Hansen. I believe it was like $7 or $8 from Dwayne Reed. I definitely need to re-up on some more. I want to try a different company. But yeah, I like to put some of this cuticle oil on my toes and just rub that in, rub that in, rub that in. Okay, you can find this at your beauty supply store if it's open. Okay, like nowadays, you're better off, you have better luck with Amazon. Like, it's just crazy. Okay, and guys, coming up, this is a nail lamp that I use in mostly all my nail videos. I use this nail lamp to harden and cure my nails when I'm doing the UV, when I'm using gel polish. So yes, again, I'm using a top coat and the color Aqua Blue from Nail Addict. Okay, so I'm also showing you guys that I did use their nails, their nail polish for the nails that I have on my hands right now that I did, these acrylic nails. So yes, I love their polish. It's very, very thick, so be careful, guys. I think I will add a little acetone in it just to loosen it up a bit. But it was so hard painting my nails this way, guys. It was like really like, because I'm trying to make sure it's neat, and it was just like, oh my god, like. But yes, so you want to just make sure you definitely have a lamp, one of these lamps. I think this one was like $18.99, and this one is 44 watts. So make sure you guys get a lamp that's 44 watts. Okay, so I like to do my big toe first because that seems to be the one that gets messed up all the time quickly. But even though this is gel, but still. So yeah, I'm doing my big toe first, and then I'm gonna go ahead and do the other nails. This nail polish is so thick, you could do with one coat, but I wanted to do 2 coats. So I did the big toe first, then the rest, then I did another coat, and then I'm also going to do the top coat. But I believe I did the top coat off camera, so yes. Yes, and now I'm painting the rest of my feet, the rest of my toes. I love this color. It looks so beautiful on my skin. Guys, their colors, oh my god, are just amazing. Like, they have beautiful colors, so many colors, and it's so affordable. Okay, again, it's called Nail Addict LA, Los Angeles. Go check them out. I'll leave actually their information down below in the video down below as well.
And go ahead, Rolls Royce, Lamborghini, Blue Medina, always beaming, rag top, chrome pipes, blue lights, out of sight, long weave, sold in, say it again, sold in, make that money, throw it in, booty bouncing, go ahead, Rolls Royce, Lamborghini, Blue Medina, always beaming, rag top, chrome pipes, blue lights, out of sight, long weave, sold in, say it again, sold in, make that money, throw it in, booty bouncing, go ahead, Rolls Royce, Lamborghini, Blue Medina, always beaming, rag top, chrome pipes, blue lights, out of sight, long weave, sold in, say it again,
so these are 2 items that I like to use on my feet for a pedicure. I will do a detailed pedicure for you guys. I just have to get a few things first, but I'm just showing you guys what you could use to take care of your feet almost every day. So definitely use this Barefoot exfoliating foot scrub. Okay, so it's good for the heels, and it says 2 to 3 times a week. It was only $4.99 from a beauty supply store, and I got it in the scent lemon and sage. And this is also a pedicure or a callus like remover tool right here. I also have to get some callus remover. So with with this whole quarantine thing, everything is closed, so we're gonna see. But stay tuned for a more detailed and real pedicure. This is just me. Okay guys, this is the finishing product. I just want to say that no, I am not a nail tech or a pedicure tech, but I know that I like my feet to look pretty and nice, and for times like this when we can't make it outside, this is perfect. Do your own feet, paint your own toenails, and definitely give yourself your own pedicure. So yes, y'all, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Let me know what more, if you guys like these videos, if you guys want to see more of my pretty feet, honey. Thank you all for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and tap the bell to be notified.